Hey there folks, thanks for tuning in, and today offering you updated for 2018 a aerial walking tour of the beach at Sandals Negril. Again, gotta thank my lovely wife for about the millionth time for participating in the whole video here. I can be quite the idiot and not hit record, so this might be the third take for her. Be that as it may, folks, for a point of reference for those of you looking at a map, we are walking from the, if I dare say, the hedonism side down towards the beaches side of the beach here for a point of reference. If you've watched my video from last year, we actually walked the opposite way. Now, the major difference in this year as opposed to last year, in my opinion, is this water has cleared up quite a bit, and you know, I kind of get tired a little bit of answering the question about the seagrass, and it just doesn't matter that much to us. I mean, if you're the kind of person that is going to let seagrass ruin your vacation with the amount of free-flowing alcohol at this resort, maybe this is not the vacation for you. Be that as it may, we've never had a problem finding a nice sandy spot with a couple of cold adult beverages that made the seagrass disappear, if you will. So I would not, if you were thinking about booking this place, let that deter you in the slightest. This whole resort is about as beach-centric as you can get. It really revolves around the beach in the truest sense of the word. Most of the dining is outdoors. If I am not mistaken, and I'm sure somebody will correct me if I'm wrong, there's only 2 indoor dining options on the entire resort. So it is really about the beach. And as you can see, the rooms here literally walk right out on the beach, and unless you've got a balcony, folks. Don't do that, just go down the stairs. But this is actually the room category we end up getting, usually 2nd or 3rd floor. And I actually have a video with a room tour if you want to check that out. I won't plug that here. But as you can see, you can just walk out to these, and the only semi-criticism I'll have is these beachfront umbrellas and stuff tend to go kind of quick. Never really had a problem with seating, but you know, everybody has their favorite spot. The only thing I'll criticize are the floaty hogs. The people that have to have 3-4 floaties, and they never seem to be using them, yet they can never seem to let them go. Be that as it may. We're coming up, actually, for those of you interested who are thinking about booking a wedding at this particular Sandals, right here, this gazebo to your left is where we've seen probably a dozen weddings go on from, you know, right there. That's actually our spot right there. Even the main, well, this is the secondary pool, if you want to call it that. Even that's right on the beach. And once again, as you can see, the water is not horribly clogged with seagrass. I do think it's a disservice they do by not being honest about, you know, the condition of the water. When you see these things in magazines and such, they do tend to Photoshop them up quite a bit, and I think at times that can set up an unrealistic expectation of what you're going to find at the resort. But once again, never ruined our trip here. This is actually probably our 7th trip here, so if it bothered us that much, we wouldn't go. And we are huge fans of the Sandals chain. So I would always say, if you're a beach person, this is the resort for you. I really think it's probably the nicest beach, even though we've gone to Sandals South Coast, and they have a much larger beach. This is a much nicer stretch of beach. Well, folks, this is coming to the end of our video. I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it. If you liked it, please like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.